So today we're making a bug house. So I got this little plastic container that I cannot keep here, but it's here for the YouTube video. So you take this, get some leaves, just put them down nice and good, and just place them. I'm going to be making two. One of them like this, that's meant to be made. Also, you're gonna need sticks, leaves, and rocks. Need some sticks to place down and some rocks. So I'm gonna have to compact it all down. Make the sticks more like in the corners. The rocks over here for some extra detailage. And extra rocks for it more fun. Should it look like this? It looks like this, and I'm gonna take all the sticks and put them in this little compartment. They're also gonna love some grass, so I'm gonna take the grass and put them down. And that's basically all you have to do. I've only been recording for 1 minute, and it's already done. Let me see. Now I'm going to show you the second way. Wait, also another thing you can do for the second way is just you need the same materials. So let's get a leaf, put some tape on it, get another leaf, add it to the tape, and fold the ends. Maybe you cannot fold the ends, so you get some scissors. Cut the tape, and then use this, fold it up, get some more tape. This is just gonna be the best. Oh, and the art projects you need are markers or crayons, something to color with, scissors, tape, glue. Tape or glue. I think you should use tape because the animals won't eat it. So yeah, I don't know if tape is the best resource. It's not sticking that well because the leaves are wet because it was raining just now. So I might have to use a bit of glue. But the glue is going to just be on the end of the tape so the animals won't want to eat it. The bugs, I mean. Okay, boom. Okay, that's good. And then once you've done doing that, this video is going to be way better because I'm making my own version. Then you grab some more leaves. Just grab as many leaves as you can and just tape them all together. All the leaves there are, just tape them. All the leaves there are, just get them, tape them together. There's a bit of glue maybe. It's gonna be glue tape. Big brain glue tape. Perfect. Exactly what animals need, glue tape, because it's the same. It's just been re-gluified. So it's re-stickable, re-sticky. And now, I'm gonna add some more glue. This is the thing, you need a lot of glue to make this Everstyle super duper cool, amazing project thing. And now I'm gonna take this tissue and wipe my hands, take another leaf, put it on top of there. If you don't, you can also add more leaves because leaves are super cool. And then get this, put it over there. And get this, boom. And then just tape it all together, make it real nice. Real nice. That's my alert. Boom. A lot of glue. Ah! Oh no. Oh no. This is not going well. But if I put them all together like that, then get some of this tape, put it all on. Like that. This is super duper cool. And it's purple glue, so it's gonna look super duper cool. And then you can just take off the tape. Get some more tape, new tape, and tape it on top. So that's nice and perfect. Make sure the bugs won't stick to the glue, so you put tape on top of the glue. Big brain. Big brain. And boom, boom. Glue, glue, glue it on. I think my glue is getting a little running short, so I'm gonna get some more out. There. Now it'll work. Boom, boom. Okay, that's all I really needed for that part. So there's a little tiny piece that didn't have enough glue. And then just tape it all together like this. Oh, ah! Oh, I wonder if the bugs will break their own home. Hopefully not. That would be bad. Real bad. Boom. This on top of there. I need the tissue again. And then just get some more and tape it all together like that. And then I'm going to tape a last leaf over there. And then it will be even better than this one over here, the one that I just showed you, a nice home DIY thing. Even better than that because this one will be like better for the bugs because they'll be able to hide. This one I'll be able to keep here. So look at it. Now I just need one big leaf. Let's see. This is a perfect size leaf. And then you can leave like a little hole so there's even more spaces for them to get in. And then you just tape everything together. Just get a bunch of tape, just tape it all together. Ah! Now you take your scissors, you cut off this part of the leaf, so then this part of the leaf will attach to here, like that, and then, ooh, yeah. And then this up, like all of them together. Then, oh no, I wasn't prepared. I need tape. So this time be prepared. Get some tape. Get this to be over here. This one's way smaller than the one you can make, but it's way better than the other one you can make because this one, more bugs will go in because more bugs will be like, this one is a better home than that one. If you're a bug, you will be like, this is the best place ever, I'm gonna stay here. If you're a human, you'll be like, this is too small, I cannot fit in it, I just made it. So a bug will love this. I just need to re-stickify this again. Ah, boom, 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 boom. I don't know which side is sticky. I think it's this side. Okay, so boom. This is gonna take a little while. And oh, wait, this might be perfect. I might have made a perfect masterpiece. And ta-da! It should look like this at the end, and then don't worry, it's good. And then you just take a stick, put it over there, and then you take, I don't care about that tape anymore. Do this, take a stick to do this, and then take another leaf. This leaf looks beautiful. Put it like that. Now it's perfect for a bug hotel. Boom, boom, boom. And bugs will love this place. Comment down below if you think bugs would love my DIY one more or the normal one more, because I'm using sticks for this one. I mean, like, it's super cool. This one's getting stickified like that. Like this, and boom. Perfect. Nice little camp area for the bugs. And that's it. Remember to like and subscribe. Bye.